I will show you a technique that only masters use. If you want to learn this technique, stay tuned with me to the end of this video. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a leather iPhone case. This method can be applied to all types of phones. The case in the video uses a provided template, but if you don't have one, follow the method I'll show you. In this method, we cover the back of the case with paper tape, ounce horizontally and ounce vertically. Then, using a slicker or any other tool with a flat tip, press down and adhere the edges firmly. After that, carefully cut the indented part using a sharp craft knife, making sure not to damage the back cover. Guys, I spent hours making each video, so please like and comment to support me. Now remove the excess paper tape and gently peel off the resulting template from the back cover and stick it on a piece of cardboard or a thicker paper. Then cut off the excess. This method is very useful and can be used for various purposes. Write in the comments if you knew this technique or if it was new to you. In this project, we are using crocodile pattern glazed goat leather. To begin, we apply double-sided tape to the back of the template, whether it's metal or paper, and place it on the leather. Now, very carefully and patiently cut the leather. this stage, we color the edges of the leather and finish them with Toconol. The back cover I bought already had adhesive. If yours doesn't, scratch the surface with sandpaper and apply adhesive. Carefully stick the cut leather to the back cover and that's it. Our project is finished that easily. I hope you enjoyed this video and the template making technique. Please don't forget to like and share the video, and your comments help me create better content. Finally, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now is the time.